Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to this quick orientation session on the current affairs crash course that I'm starting for this year's CSS. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm Qasim Farooq. I'm from the 48th CTP. In much simpler terms, it means that I cleared my CSS in 2019. Since then, I've taken up teaching with multiple lectures on my YouTube channel, and this particular course is an extension of that. So the purpose of this course is to get the students up to date on the events that have happened in the last year and that have relevance in the upcoming CSS exam. So what the course includes is 10 in-depth lectures जिनकी details मैं already share कर चुका हूँ, जिसमें अफगानिस्तान, climate change, आपकी economy, काफ़ी multiple diverse topics है जिनको हम लोग in detail देखेंगे. Beyond just these lectures, there's also a fact book जिसके अंदर हम लोग relevant stats share करेंगे for each topic that is covered. साथ ही साथ I'll teach you paper attempting techniques, which I think is very important क्योंकि students के पास usually content होता है, लेकिन उस content को किस तरह translate करना है for that particular subject वो usually missing link होता है. So these are things that we will be looking at, and then we'll be going through the final mock exam to implement what we've learned in this course. So this is a basic outlook of what the course would include. जो teaching model है, इस हवाले से काफ़ी questions आए थे. तो the teaching model is very simple. We'll have live Zoom sessions जिसके अंदर मैं lecture deliver करूँगा, which would be followed by a question and answer session if it is required. अब जो lectures हैं वो obviously live होंगे on Zoom. So those of you who can join, well and good, but those of you who can't in that particular time, उनके लिए flexible timing option है क्योंकि every lecture that I will give will be recorded and shared in a private group. तो जो students इस particular session में enroll होंगे उनके पास access होगा एक private group का, जिसके अंदर जो lecture दिया जाएगा वो एक उस group के अंदर share किया जाएगा ताकि जिन्होंने lecture लिया है वो भी दोबारा से एक दफ़ा उसको देख सकें if they've missed out on anything, और साथ ही साथ जिन्होंने lecture नहीं ले सके because of the timing, क्योंकि हर किसी की timing different होती है when they're free, तो वो भी बाद में उसको सुकून से बैठकर देख सकते हैं so that they don't miss out on anything. So the timing in that regard is very flexible. जो आपकी हर lecture होगा that will be followed with some recommended readings जिसके अंदर आपको further enhancement of knowledge आपको help out करेगी उस चीज़ के साथ. साथ ही साथ जो हमारा group होगा current affairs के WhatsApp group, उसके अंदर मैं आपके साथ साथ active sharing करता रहूँगा till the exam date, ताकि जो नया content, जो नई चीज़ आ रही है related to the current affair exams वो आपके साथ share होती जाए. So that will help you to have the most latest content for the exam. तो registration details मैं already share कर चुका हूँ, लेकिन for those of you don't know, I'll share the WhatsApp group link. उधर आप join कर लेंगे तो आपके साथ वो details भी share हो जाएंगी. So we'll start इंशाल्लाह on Sunday, और इसके बाद alternate days पे हमारे lectures होंगे. और इंशाल्लाह आपका ये है कि अगर आप ये course लेते हैं तो आपकी जो current affairs का topic है वो holistically cover हो जाएगा. So even if you've neglected this particular subject up until now, तो आप एक decent score फिर भी इसमें कर सकते हैं. So that is all for the orientation session. Thank you for listening. For more information, you can reach out to me on my Facebook and Instagram account. And I hope to see you all in the current affairs session. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.